Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to share with you a quick little video of a trade that I took back in February of 2019, February 28, 2019 to be exact. You see, I had some drawdown. I was negative, over $100. My reasons for getting in this trade. This is on the 15-minute. I looked at the higher time frames and realized that it was time for the market to reverse. I missed my early entry after on the 15-minute. I had a cycle. I had 3 levels of drop. Level 1, level 2, level 3. So I missed my entry here, and I probably should have waited until I got another pullback, but I saw all of these pins to the low side, and my Bollinger Bands had started to open, and I was on top of this 50 period, this 20 period. I don't know what period this is, but I was on top of this dotted line here, and to me, all systems would go for an entry on this trade, but like I said, I got in a little late, and so I did a little bit of suffering. My reasons for not closing this trade out is this 800 period EMA is a good basis for support or resistance. It had been resistance, and then it broke through, and now it's made support here. The 50 period moving average is also coming down, and to me, with my analysis, I had decided to go ahead and just stay in this trade because I had a good support right here. So you can see my trade kind of is still negative, but I'm not worrying. Like I said, I had all of these pins to the low, so I knew the market was due for a reversal on this 15-minute time frame. When you take these trades on the 15-minute time frame, you don't hold them as long as you would as a trade that you would enter on a 1 hour, 4 hour, or even a daily time frame. These are quick little scalps that I was doing. I'd like to say, let me speed this video up a little bit so I can get to this quick profit that it finally took after, like I said, after a little bit of bleeding and suffering. But once you study these charts and you start to realize that this market moves in cycles and it does the same thing on a daily basis, then even if you enter a trade late, then you don't tend to worry as much as a trader that's not so novice. Let's go ahead and speed this video up. As you can see, my number over here is getting smaller. It was negative 100. And the trade is starting to move in the direction that once I did my analysis, this trade is starting to go in the direction that it's supposed to go in. So with patience is a big part of trading forex. And if you don't have patience, then you probably shouldn't be trading. But the big thing is, doing a proper analysis, and once you do that, then you can sit back and really not have to worry about your trade going in a negative direction. As you can see, I did not place a stop loss anywhere. If I had to place a stop loss, it would probably be at the end of this, maybe 5 to 10 pips below this area right here. But right now, all I have is a take profit set, because I don't expect for the market to come back down to this level anytime soon. Let's go ahead and speed this video up a little bit. You see it's dipping down again. Negative. There we go. Whoa. Let's slow that back down. Did you see that? It dipped down, and then it bounced right back up, and filled my take profit and I exited my trade with a profit of a little over $200. So let's do that one more time. All right. Right now it's at $242. I want to reverse that again so you can see this. You see this number climbing right over here? This is my profit now. Now you see the green take profit light show up, which means I'm getting close to my take profit level here. It keeps fluctuating up and down. Eventually it's going to fill my take profit level, because this is another level of resistance here, so I don't expect it to break this plane and continue to the upside. I expect it to go up, hit my take profit, and come back down, and that's exactly what it did. $338 later. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to learn how to make money in this Forex market, please click the link in the description below and let me help educate you and teach you a skill that no one can take away from you, and it will pay you for the rest of your life.